Chapter 6: Imagination, the Workshop of the Mind. Imagine a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where dreams take shape, and innovation knows no bounds. Welcome to Chapter 6, where Napoleon Hill invites us into the enchanting realm of imagination, the workshop of the mind. Picture your mind as an artist's studio, and imagination is the palette of colors. Hill tells us that imagination is the spark that ignites the fire of creativity. It's the force that transforms mundane thoughts into vivid, captivating ideas. But what is imagination, really? Think of it as a bridge between the known and the unknown, the realm where reality meets possibility. It's the place where ideas are born, where problems are solved, and where the future is crafted. Now, imagine you're a child again, exploring an uncharted forest of ideas. That's what Hill encourages us to do, to let our imagination run wild, to think beyond the boundaries of convention, and to dream without restraint. Imagination is not limited by circumstance or resources. It's the secret weapon of inventors, artists, and visionaries. It's what turned Thomas Edison's ideas into light bulbs and Leonardo da Vinci's sketches into masterpieces. Consider your own life. What dreams have you dared to dream? What visions have you allowed to take flight within the vast canvas of your imagination? But imagination is more than just dreaming, it's the precursor to action. It's the blueprint that transforms a thought into reality. When you imagine yourself achieving a goal, you're already taking the first step towards its accomplishment. Now, let's ponder the concept of desire once more. Hill reminds us that imagination is the force that breathes life into our desires. It's what makes them tangible, what allows us to see, feel, and believe in their realization. But the chapter doesn't stop there. Hill introduces us to the 6 practical steps to transform our thoughts into reality, a blueprint for turning imagination into achievement. Here are those steps. 1. Fix in your mind the exact goal. 2. Determine exactly what you intend to give in return. 3. Establish a definite date. 4. Create a definite plan. 5. Write out a clear, concise statement. 6. Read your written statement aloud. As you close this chapter, remember that imagination is not a fleeting fantasy, it's the compass that leads you to your dreams. It's the chisel that shapes your reality, and it's the key to unlocking your full potential. So, what will you imagine today, and where will your imagination take you on this grand adventure of life? Are you hungry for more of the profound wisdom found in Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill? If you're eager to dive deeper and explore the full book, you're in luck. You can get your copy by simply checking the link in the description below. Click that link and begin your journey to success today. https://amzn/48exa1w and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and change your life.